Hello YouTubers, this is my go-to recipe for a sponge cake. It's a very easy recipe that gives you consistent result every time you want to make a sponge cake. To have consistent results, I use my Thermomix, but I also made it already with a hand mixer or a stand mixer. If you want to have an incredibly soft and moist cake, you should definitely try this recipe. Okay, let's go. Here you can see a list of my ingredients I use for this recipe. I have tried different proportions of these ingredients, but these works for me the best. Cornstarch will give you stability of your cake, and baking powder gives you more safety. Place a butterfly in your Thermomix and then first we'll put the egg whites in it. Splitting the eggs gives you more consistent result. We'll wipe the egg whites 2 minutes on speed 4. Please scrape the edges of the bowl down. Okay, you guys, now the next step. We'll make the Thermomix running on speed 4 and take your water. Slowly, we'll put the water in the bowl. Okay, if you succeed to put all the water in, what I think is not that difficult, you take your sugar and you do exactly the same. And don't forget to clean your cover, everything needs to be in. Wow, this is already amazing. And please clean the edges once again. And now your egg yolks. Make your Thermomix running on speed 4 for 15 seconds. And again, scrape your edges so your bowl is nice and clean. Okay guys, I hope you're not tired yet, but now we'll put all the dry ingredients in. Place a cover on it and put your Thermomix on speed 2 for 30 seconds. Remove the butterfly and then you will see that you have a little bit of flour here and there in your bowl. But with a spatula you can nicely mix it in the dough, like you see here. I have a spring form with parchment paper of 8 inches. I tap 2 times on a hard surface just to remove the air bubbles. And now you can put your creation in the oven for 32 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Of course, every oven is a little bit different. When your cake in the center bounces softly back with your index finger, it means it's good. This is my last trick. Let your cake cool down upside down. It prevents collapsing. That looks and smells amazing. You can use this for a chocolate cake, or as a base for tres leches, or for a Swiss roll you can make for a birthday cake. Thank you so much.